Top 5 Free WordPress Themes for Beginners. Find your perfect fit. Are you a WordPress beginner feeling overwhelmed by the countless free themes available? Choosing the right theme can make or break your website's functionality and appearance. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 free WordPress themes that combine aesthetic appeal with reliability, perfect for users starting their WordPress journey. Each theme on this list is beginner-friendly and designed to meet a variety of needs, from blogs to e-commerce websites. Stick around to discover my personal favorite and why it's an excellent choice if you're just getting started. Your WordPress theme is the foundation of your site's design and functionality. But for beginners, finding a theme that balances ease of use, customization options, and speed can feel like an uphill battle. A good theme sets the stage for your success without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Let's take the guesswork out of the process by diving into 5 proven themes that have been tested and loved by the WordPress community. First up is Astra, my personal favorite for WordPress beginners. Astra is renowned for its lightweight and highly customizable design, making it versatile enough for any type of website. It integrates seamlessly with popular page builders like Elementor and Gutenberg, which means you can easily drag and drop elements to design your site, no coding required. Astra also comes with a library of pre-built templates, perfect for creating blogs, business websites, or even e-commerce stores in minutes. It's fast, mobile responsive, and optimized for SEO, ensuring your website performs well across devices and search engines. If you're just starting out and want a reliable theme with lots of options, Astra is hard to beat. Next on our list is OceanWP, the ultimate choice for anyone building an online store or an e-commerce website. Out of the box, OceanWP is WooCommerce ready, providing essential features like shopping carts, dynamic pop-ups, and custom headers and footers. One of the standout features of OceanWP is its robust customization options. The theme allows you to fine-tune nearly every aspect of your site, helping you design a professional-looking online store without hiring a developer. Beginners will appreciate the balance of advanced features and ease of use, making OceanWP ideal for creating a polished, functional website. If simplicity and speed are what you're looking for, Neve might be your perfect match. This lightweight, performance-optimized theme is an excellent choice for blogs, portfolios, and startups. Its clean and minimalist layout doesn't overwhelm visitors, keeping the focus on your content. Neve is also responsive, ensuring your website looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. For WordPress beginners aiming for better mobile performance, its AMP, accelerated mobile pages, compatibility is a game changer. Plus, the simple onboarding process makes Neve a go-to theme for users who value ease of setup. If you need versatility, then look no further than Zakra. This all-in-one theme offers over 65 pre-built templates, catering to various niches including business websites, portfolios, and even educational platforms. Zakra is designed to work smoothly with both Gutenberg and Elementor, giving you the freedom to customize layouts without stress. This makes it a top pick for beginners who are still exploring creative possibilities. Whether you're starting a professional blog or launching a business site, Zakra ensures your site looks stunning and functions seamlessly. Last but not least is GeneratePress, a theme for those prioritizing speed and performance. If your goal is to deliver a fast-loading, minimalistic website, this lightweight theme fits the bill perfectly. GeneratePress is built with a modular approach, so you get to enable only the features you need, keeping your website lean and efficient. It's also highly developer-friendly, but that doesn't mean it's hard for beginners to use. Whether you're building a personal blog or scaling up content-heavy websites, GeneratePress ensures top-tier site performance. Each of these themes brings something unique to the table, but if I had to recommend one for WordPress beginners, it would be Astra. Its extensive library of templates, ease of use, and compatibility with popular tools make it ideal for starting your WordPress journey. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or online store, Astra gives you room to grow and experiment with your site. Not sure which theme suits your needs? Identify what's most important for your website: speed, design, e-commerce functionality, or simplicity, and let your priorities guide you. Selecting the right theme doesn't have to be intimidating, even if you're a beginner. Astra, OceanWP, Neve, Zakra, and GeneratePress are all excellent options tailored to different project goals, ensuring there's a perfect fit for your needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more helpful WordPress tips, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Which theme are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.